Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Easy vegetable soup that's tasty and healthy. A warm, comforting bowl of soup packed with fresh vegetables, rich flavors, and wholesome goodness. Perfect for anyone looking for a simple yet nourishing meal. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for easy vegetable soup. This soup combines a variety of fresh vegetables like carrots, beans, cabbage, zucchini, green peas, broccoli, mushrooms, and more. Gently cooked in a flavorful vegetable stock with herbs, black pepper, and a touch of oats for a light, hearty texture. It's a perfect balance of taste and nutrition. It pairs beautifully with toasted bread and works perfectly as a comforting starter or a wholesome light meal. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious, easy vegetable soup. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 3 medium-sized onions, cut them very fine. 8 medium-sized tomatoes, cut them very fine. 10 medium-sized cloves of garlic, cut them very fine. 1 medium-sized potato, cut into small cubes. 2 medium-sized carrots, cut into small cubes. Half cup of French beans, cut into small pieces. We took around 12 French beans. 1 cup of thinly sliced cabbage. 150 grams of broccoli. Cut it into medium-sized florets and stems cut into small cubes. Instead of broccoli, you can use cauliflower. 4 medium-sized mushrooms weighing around 100 grams. Cut them into thick slices. 1 zucchini cut into medium-sized cubes. We got around 1.5 cups after cutting. Instead of zucchini, you can use dudi or bottle gourd. Half cup of sweet corn. Half cup of green peas. 2 stalks of celery. Cut them into small pieces. Instead of celery, you can use fresh coriander or cilantro stems or sticks. Small bunch of parsley for garnishing. Cut it very fine. Instead of parsley, you can use fresh coriander leaves or cilantro. 2 or 3 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Mix of oregano, basil, rosemary and thyme. 1 tablespoon of salt. Half cup of oats. Take 2 liters of vegetable stock, or you can dissolve 4 vegetable stock cubes in 8 cups or 2 liters of warm water.
Hello everyone. We would like to introduce our new channel, Get Cooking Global, where we share restaurant-style Indian and international recipes in the same detailed, step-by-step recipe style that you've seen on Get Cooking Now. So, if you love restaurant-style dishes and want to prepare them at home, then you must definitely check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global. The link for our new channel is provided in the description box. Or simply mention Get Cooking Global in your comment and we will send you the link. Now, let's continue with our recipe.
Step 2. Preparing the easy vegetable soup. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the finely cut garlic. Cook for around a minute. After around a minute, add the mushroom slices and cook for around 2 minutes. Then add the celery pieces. Add the broccoli stems. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the finely cut tomatoes. Mix everything nicely. Now add the bay leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Cook for around 2 minutes. Then add the oats and stir. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Cook for around 2 minutes. Then add the potato cubes. Add the carrot cubes. Add the zucchini cubes. Add the French beans. Mix everything nicely. Now add the veg stock. Mix everything properly. Then add the black pepper powder. Add the mixed herbs. Give everything a nice stir. Check for salt and pepper and add if required. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes, stirring in between to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 10 minutes, open the pan and stir everything properly. Then add the sweet corn. Also add the cabbage. Mix everything properly. Cover and cook for around 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. After around 7 to 8 minutes, stir everything properly. Check if the vegetables are almost cooked. Once they're almost cooked, add the green peas. Add the broccoli florets. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the finely cut parsley. Mix everything nicely. Check for salt and pepper and add if required. Delicious vegetable soup that's tasty and healthy is ready. Enjoy the soup hot with a sprinkle of pepper and a dash of lime. It pairs beautifully with toasted bread and works perfectly as a comforting starter or a wholesome light meal. The secret of healthy living is now in your hands. Do share it with your friends and family members. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.